Hello, my name is Rezan Nadimi and I'm from Iran, Tabriz. This is my final project for CS50P. In this project, I have created a classic Tic Tac Toe game using Python and Tkinter library. The game thus has a user interface, graphical user interface, where players take turns making moves on a shared device. The, the display will show their start button, change background button, and declare a winner or a tie. The game board is represented as a 3 by 3 grid. I use the Tic Inter canvas and pillow libraries to create the GUI. The game board is initialized with empty cells. Players take turns clicking on the empty cells to make their moves. The game alternates between X and O players. I keep track of already clicked cells to prevent invalid moves. I have defined all possible winning combinations, rows, columns, and diagonals. After each move, I check if any player has won by matching their moves with the winning combinations. Without images for X and O symbols, the background and other visual elements are set up using Tkinter canvas and pillow libraries. The click method handles player clicks. It identifies the clicked cells, updates the board, and checks for the winner. The game continues until there is a winner or board is full. Game is tied. Today is July 9, 2024. This is my edX profile and this is my GitHub account. Thanks for watching.